Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I have a earning application from where you can earn money and from where you can do simple type of offers and a simple type of surveys, simple type of tasks and earn a lot of money. So to download this application, you just need to go in Play Store and search on them, and you will get this type of interface. Where you need to download this application and open this, and you will get this type of interface. You just need to click in that four arrow option 4 times, and you just need to agree the terms of use and privacy policy after reading it, and just click in the done option. After logging in, you will get this type of interface where you need to see the task and payout checks and credits and settings. So the UI of this application is very simple, and the first option you will get system, and where there is the list of tasks, and you can do daily task. For daily task you will earn 20 coins. You just need to click in complete and you will allow 20 coins. There is also of reference with user. If you click in reference user, you will get a link or you will get a code. If you share that code with your friends, and if that friends comes in this application, you will earn 100 coins. So after that you will see watch videos. If you watch their videos, you will earn 2 gems. After that, if you like their post in Facebook, or if you share their app in Facebook, you will earn 20% benefit. There is unique casino. If you play the casino game in this application, you will earn 25.9k, that is 25,900 points. So there is for the baby Yoda here. There are a lot of earning offers, so you just need to complete those offers. So I'm seeing here 2,084 points by just spinning a wheel, and yeah, there are almost unlimited offers. So there is lot of system. If you click in system, you will get this, and if you click in that app, you will get this type of interface where you need to download this app and earn the points. And there is free option. So if you click in free, then you will get as other offers such as which are free in download with Play Store and everything. So you will get this type of interface. There is returnCrypto.com. If you live in Nepal, please ignore that. And there is paid option. If you click in paid, you will get this type of interface where these application will directly pay you in this app as form of gems. So there is option of surveys. If you click in surveys, you will get surveys from different type of offers giving platforms such as your surveys, CPXLA surveys, finance surveys and everything. So my favorite part of this survey is finance surveys because I love finance. There is credit and card record, so ignore this. I'm not. So there is a lead gen. If you click in lead gen, you will get other logo quiz and quiz diva and Pokemon quiz and everything. So there is lot of apps. If you download these apps, you will get points. And there is a lot of mobile apps. If you download these mobile apps, you will earn 1,000 to 10,000 coins. So there is a task history where you can get how many tasks you have completed, how many tasks are pending to complete. And there is option of gems where if you click in that, you will get how many gems you have earned. And there is option of profile. If you so you just need to log in this application. To log in, you just need to connect your Google account. So to connect to Google account, you just need to click sync with Google, and there your email address will come. I have logged in and my account is like this. And yeah, there is a lot of your works, terms and use and privacy policy that I have already explained. So let's talk about that 3-line option. If you click in 3-line option, you will get nothing. So let's talk about how to withdraw in this application. To withdraw, you just need to click in that redeem option, which is in right side of task history. So there you won't get anything. And to withdraw, you just need to click in right side of that redeem, and that is total gem, and you will get payout type, amount and informations check detail, etc. So you can withdraw in PayPal, Amazon and Google Play. So in order to withdraw in PayPal, $5 you need to earn 5,000 coins. In order to earn $10, you need to earn 10,000 coins. And in order to earn $25, you need to earn 25k coins. And in order to earn $100, that is almost 10,000 rupees in Nepal. You need to earn 100k coins. So to withdraw in PayPal, you just need to click in PayPal, and $5 just need to give them your PayPal address, and you will get your withdraw. So thanks for watching this video. It's literally a very It's literally very easy to use, and I didn't get any type of ads and disturbing materials here. So yeah, I will recommend you guys to use this application and give it a try. If you are earning app user, this is just a review. I'm not influencing any of you guys to use this application. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget to share this app with your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.